Today we have one extraordinary life story. Because why I am telling extraordinary is lot of people have come from different backgrounds, different knowledge, different education, different levels of income, different professions, and all of you know that network marketing attracts all types of people, all categories of people. All categories of people can come and master the skill and work and change their lives. That is, if there is any one single sector which can attract all types of people to this profession for changing their lives and ultimately attain the freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, money freedom, travel freedom, health freedom, everything. We generally say time, money, security. And that any such sector is that is network marketing. Similarly, in DXN, we have a very exceptional person today who built the huge network after leaving many of his conventional professions. If we are going to talk about his different types of businesses which he has pursued, you will be wonderstruck. Will the person will have a positive attitude to do business even after failures?
I just want to share with you today, and because I would like to gratitude from the beginning because of this great opportunity from our CEO, who created this opportunity, this system, and that's why lots of people like me around the world who was very hopeless and get the hope and opportunity to prove and to become successful in the world. So I extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Lim Soo Jin, our CEO, and all DXN management around the world. Because of that, I am Harun today. Not only me, lots of people around the world. Because of management, people are very helpful, and they because of them, and especially I am taking as a full-time business from the beginning, and I am very close, and I was with the management people, all the branch manager, also our stockist, and also different countries, and I really helpful to them, grateful to them, and also my all business partners. Because of them today I am here, and especially I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all international leaders, and because of them today we learn, we understand, because we don't have any background about I am talking myself about direct network marketing. And especially I would like to share some name I want to mention in India. Professor Bashipalaya, Ratna Bashipalaya, Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Farwana, Mr. Kovid Jinga, and Mr. Bharat Gau, and lots of Dr. Rajesh Sabara. And all these people guided me. Lots of information they given to me. Always, I really grateful to all the leaders. And I'm sorry, lots of leaders I know, they also helped. I didn't mention their name. And especially, I would like to mention here because of our all international marketing director, and because Mr. Rafiq now in India, because in Bangladesh he also helped, guided, and also Mr. Ashish in Malaysia, Mr. Jijit, because of him also I am today here. I will, and Mr. Selim, Mr. Prajit, and Mr. Dibya. I really appreciate all the people, and also our marketing CEO, Mr. HTO, because everybody, because of their guidance, and I feel now we are growing, company is growing, and their leadership, and we are very grateful to them. So I'm be proud of DXN members. Because of DXN, I changed my life, and I was facing lots of challenges. I am coming to the point and this is the only organization I believe, and I proved and system also proved company already. Not only me, I believe thousands of people around the world are successful through the DXN system and product. And so I am proud of a global DXN family members. So I just want to share with all of you before DXN. I just want to share today is very tragedy. And when I was in study in high school, I just finished my high school final exam. Then my father passed away in 1990, 15th July. Then I am the eldest son in my family, and we are 5 brothers and 3 sisters. So I am my youngest brother was only he was 9 months. So the big family. It was very, I don't know how to do. I live in village, and my father was a banker, and I just like not today, because if any student first secondary school, and he learned lots of things. We was in the village and there was no technology. We was like very simple. So I don't know what to do, because very critical, and my lots of burden is come to my mind, my head. So I don't know what to do. Then my mother told me, you have to study, because you are my eldest son. If you are not study, then your brothers and sisters, they will not follow you. So, and my mother, my grandmother's father's house also near to us. So all my relatives and everybody supported us. Then I started to study in the college. So with my mother's determination, and my so I started. We have big family, and at the same time we have tension also. I have tension, and I started doing with the help of my relatives. I started along with my education. I started the garments business. I started fruit business. I started the confectionery business. I started poultry farm. I started courier service, that business. Like this, I started, or I did along with my student life around I think 15 business. Every business I failed, because I don't have knowledge about and the experience about the business. But all the money I already lost. Last moment I did it, because I make a RMP, the rural medical practitioner, at the same time LMF, and then also I started practice along with that medicine business. Accumulated all these things 1992 until 2004. And because I also started doing lots of social work, because I was the general secretary of Rural Medical Association, and we did hospitals and also diagnostic centers. But it is a common work for everybody. But I lost my money because I have to work, because I don't have any other option. But I lose the money, and also all together accumulated with also some social work, school managing committee, and different things. People are involved us in the village. So I try to help also people, and I have one motorcycle Yamaha, and also I because I was very young that time, and I try to do something to support people. And I lost huge money, around 20 lakh taka. Actually, this money is accumulated from my student life to last moment. My all relatives are given that money to support our family, but I lost everything. But after that, 2004, there was a flood in our country. Then I was so disappointed what to do. Then I was thinking I have to leave, and because still my age is not that much, I think I can do something. So I didn't tell anybody, even my wife, my mother. In between, I married already. I have 3 kids, and my youngest son was 1 year, and I quit from my country. And I selected I will go to Saudi Arabia, because I am a Muslim, and I think I try to do something. If possibility is there, if cannot do anything, I can visit Makkah and Medina, and this is my dream. So I bought a free visa in Saudi Arabia. for Saudi Arabia, and after that I have that motorcycle I sold, and I have one deposit. Every month I savings around 2,500 taka. So without telling anybody I have money, that money was with me. Then I bought a visa and I go back to Saudi Arabia. It was 2004 14th October, and that day was that night was Ramadan, first Ramadan. I still all these things I remember. Then I started then I go to Saudi Arabia. Then one of my uncle, I don't know where I am going, with whom I'll do, but I know one of my uncle is in Dammam, and I just press I give one, that time not that much mobile also. So one of my passenger was with me, and he told me, I told him, can I use your phone? And I told my uncle I am in Saudi Arabia, Dammam, and he didn't believe. Then I cut and I told, you can check it is where the mobile number. Then he called back to me and he told, you just wait, I come back to you. And then he come my started journey, and he is the only one person. He doing business. He did business there, and he helped me. And because of my food, my accommodation, and everything, he is provided. And I just finished my ikama. When I received my ikama, because of legal papers I need. After that, I went to Makkah. I went there and I just performed my umrah, and I talked to the Allah in front of the holy mosque, like Kaaba. I told Allah, give me the opportunity to my debt, because I am 20 lakh. 20 lakh now at time, present time it is around, I think 70 lakh, the value of the money right now. So the loan I have, one side is my family, my father's family, my brothers, everybody, sisters, everybody I have to take care. I did it, and I don't know uncertain future. And I went to the Saudi Arabia. It is like a desert. It is a desert, but with hope, and nobody knows. It was very critical decision for me to take decision to go there, and I told to Allah, and just finish my loan and give me honor. And because I know those people are in debt, they knows their situation, how they're suffering for the tension, stress. And I also was there, and I just, because only I told, this is the best place, and you are can help me to solve my problem and give the opportunity to help the humanity. And I believe every word he accepted. But after that, I travel all Saudi Arabia except Tabuk. Then the Tabuk region. Then I get money because this uncle, he knows my situation. I was very good position, actually seeing in the my place. But internally I am debt. They don't know. But I was really, this is very good income. That time my income was around 50,000 taka. Still I cannot cover because of the debt. So when I quit, then he understood, he wanted to support me. Then every expenses, traveling, everything he provided. So it is a blessed for me from Allah also. Then I started doing one cargo business in Saudi Arabia. I lost it also same time. Then I doesn't know anything about direct selling industry. So after that, one day I am in and I didn't do any job in Saudi Arabia, even Bangladesh. Never I did job. So I don't want to do job also. Then I was looking opportunity, and I'm walking on the road to going to my one friend's house to meet with him. On the way, I see some people taking, going and coming and going and coming, and some membership kit. That time in Saudi Arabia or Gulf country, they put in jute bag with DXN logo. Then I see it is attractive, and I asked him, one person, what is this? And he told, I don't have time, you go up. Then I go there. I go to the DXN Dammam office, and I ask Mr. Matthew, he's our branch manager, and I ask him, what is this? Can you explain with me? Then he told, please, I don't have time. I see some people sitting and talking on the table and each other. So he told, there is one seminar inside, you can join. Then I joined there. When I joined there in the meeting, I didn't understand anything. But that time it was 2005, 27th July, and simplified improved marketing plan going to implement in August 2005, August onward. So in Saudi Arabia, that time I joined 3 days before. I instantly, what I did when Mr. Zid explained about marketing plan, I didn't understand anything because I am very new and I don't have experience. But I understood one thing: there is the money, there is a dollar, and my problem is dollar. I can do some business here, and I looking something like this freedom, and I got it, and I really so excited for this business. And I just joined DXN. But I joined DXN with one lady because I know in Saudi Arabia it is very restricted country. Men can talk, but I understood one thing: the network marketing I don't have experience before, but 2-month experience I have. So I realized if I want to do this business, I need offline support. So I joined one lady, and I talked with her. She was Victoria P. Megaseno, and she put under me. She put me in her 12th generation one Zens, and I am angry with her. I told I want to join under you, and she left. Then there is one Ethiopian lady. Her name is Hanan Awal Maleka. She was in front of me. Okay, I told her, can I join under you? Then she told yes, and she was also under this Madam Victoria P. Megaseno. So I joined. So my journey started. What I feel, I didn't do job, so I have to take full time, because the day I joined, since that day I took this business as a serious and as a full-time business, and I understood. So I felt I am in depth. If I am doing job, I see lots of people in Saudi Arabia 30 years, 15 years, 20 years. This is not the solution, and I cannot solve my problem with big family along with this depth. So what I need to do, I am ready to hard work, and I need something, even it is small. It is nothing is there now, but in future it will be an asset. Then I very seriously I take this business. And another things influenced me. That one is Mr. Matthew. He printed lots of medical papers for the regarding benefit of mushroom, and I was so excited. I got everything, and because I have background little bit in medical background, so I started to study. Then I was so excited because it is very good for me. Same time, when the day I joined DXN, after one day I started conducting seminar, because Mr. Matthew also teach me, because I am very easy to talk in front of the people, because I was doing lots of social work and also general secretary in Rural Medical Association. So it is very easy for me. So I was thinking it is really good for me. Then I forget all the loss, whatever I lost in my life, all the business, but I have deep hope and very strong hope I can do something. It was my confidence, because all the experience I can utilize, but I don't know language because I didn't do job. So Hindi, Urdu, the Arabic, all this knowledge I don't have, but I was so confident I can do. So then I started the learning. I talked to the people, but nobody invited, nobody listened to me, because my friend, even the uncles helped me, because he invested for me around 20,000 reals plus, and also he cannot join also. So my mind was I need to decide what I have to do. Nobody can listen to me. Even 18 days I cannot make one member. But according to my medical background, in my village some people is there, they want to listen to me for the product, so they started using some product. So I started for product, and with all the challenges where I am going, I have to take decision. Why? Because one of my friend, he's working on Cumberland Insurance, and he told me you can join there. It is our Alcobar branch office, Galleria Plaza. So he told me you can join, 3,000 reals you can get it. So my all friends, relatives, they told me you do that, but I decided I will not do job, and it is not my solution. So everybody angry with me. So I decide mindset what I have to do. So I believe I need to decide now what I have to do. Then I take decision. I will do only DXN. I will try my best. I will see. But my heart is goes to I can do something. So decision making, because one single decision can change whole life, can change lots of things. But to take decision to brave, it is important also, because my brave was my uncle, my food, my accommodation, my all these things it can support. So when I started take decision, and I'm very seriously doing, my first month bonus was 9 reals. So everybody criticizing me. You are not doing that, you have lots of problem and you are going to 9 reals. Then my second month bonus was 225. Then third month bonus was 1,500. Then fourth month bonus was 4,328, because that month I became Ruby and I got it also in mobile phone incentive. And then fifth month I became Diamond. So fifth month I became Diamond. My bonus was 6,024 Saudi Riyal, and from that time until I became Diamond, my bonus was 10,000. 10,000 plus my when I was Diamond. So at that time I was started one person, my friend who was doing that company, and I told him, please at least give me somebody. So he given one person, my first generation Abdul Qadir. He is also very ordinary person. Then he bring people. Then another one is T-Boy, one banker. He working in the bank. In office stage is our office, and ground floor is that office, bank. So my journey started. So they bring people, I talk. They bring people, I talk. People join. It was created a very good momentum in Saudi Arabia that time. So my journey was around 2005. So 2005. Next month I am going to celebrate my 15th year DXN life, 27th July. So when I didn't do job, the people come only Bangladeshi people. So my mind was language is not a barrier. I can do, because message should goes to the people. So what I need to do, I teach these people this. They will talk to the Hindi and Arabic. So these people are working with different nationality. The Gulf, it is a multinationality is there. Indians, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Arabs. Arabs means also part of Africa and also all GCC country. So I understood this business needed, because for the people. So I take another things also. It is helped me to take decision. I know Saudi Arabia is a very strict country. Nobody can make office without permission. Yeah, it is not easy. That I understood, and very strict also regarding health sector, health side in Saudi Arabia. So all these things, when I take decision, I was so excited, and I know there is less people, but I started to talk. So the confidence, because it was, even I don't know language, even I didn't do job, I don't have link to the people, but I am going to the bank. People are coming to the bank to sending money, so I can talk with them, and people are coming because in front of DXN office, because I started from Dammam, so there is one market. This is called Dara Market. Then I was there. People are coming to for the shopping. So I try to introduce only Bangladeshi people, because I cannot talk with others. So that way started my journey. Then I teach people. They bring people Bangladeshi, and these Bangladeshi people are working with Indians, Pakistan, and also Saudi Arabia. So like this my start journey, and within 5 months I became Diamond. So the confidence, when I get third month 4,050 4,000 plus when I became Star Ruby, then everybody changed their mind, and then I started to I was thinking what I have to do. My mission and vision is very clear now, because day by day confidence is coming very high. So I started now thinking more deep. So then I started to develop my team in Jeddah. Mr. Ghani was there. He came to Umrah in one meeting. I go from Dammam to Jeddah. It was around 18 hours. 18 hours journey by bus, because I go by bus that time. So I make one line there. My present current ambassador, Mr. Khurshid Alam, he is from that line. Mr. Delwar Hussain. So like this I started. So the Jeddah we started. Then this is a huge journey. I will talk later on this one. So the mission, I have to finish my loan. I have to finish, and I have to change my lifestyle. I have to do. So I am learning. I started learning. So all the branch manager, I go to Riyadh, Dammam, every Khobar, I start Jubail, and I go to all the branches. And when my things is going to good, then I started traveling by flight, because lots of I was so busy in that time. Within few months, even so my confidence is there. I don't know language, but still same problem I am facing language, because I doing same way. So I need to change, I believe. So even I don't know now. My network, there is a Pakistani speaker. I have a Indian also team in Hyderabad. In also I have in Chennai, one diamond is there, and different places. So they also talk in Hindi. In Pakistani people, they talk Urdu, and I created some speaker also in Arabic, because I now even I talk in English, but that time it is not our language. We don't know that much. So I started to talk to the people. It is slowly we improve. At the same time, I try to create leader. So I try to create community there, language basis. So Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim Abdullah, one of my business partner, he's from Aramco, and he started conducting seminar. I sit with him, and I'm grateful to him. And because of that, in Sudan, I got around 43 diamonds. And my network in Sudan, around 29,000 people, it was there. My team in Sudan. So like this, then another Arab community started to coming to our business in Saudi Arabia, in different places, because he explaining to business opportunity for everywhere. So my mission and my vision also, because I know in 9 reals I didn't go to job for 3,000 reals, so it is going to, my dream was 30,000. It was that time like this. It will be, because I understand it is a freedom business and opportunities there. And that time globalization I didn't understand. But one thing I understand, one world market. And when we learn, and I was so much dreaming. Maybe it is because Allah helped me that way. Because to think, because my upline, she is Ethiopian lady. Even she give me one missed call, I am very happy. She never given me one missed call also. But I don't know, and also cannot talk. And she didn't understand. Still she is star agent. And I am executive crown diamond. I have my network now around 250. I see today 235,000 people and 155 countries. So this is the things. It is also, and already around 1,000 around 800 plus diamonds now. So she is also owner for that, but she didn't understand still. And so the things upline cannot do, but she is respectable. Offline cannot stop my bonus of my success. That is my history. I realize, because lots of our member, they stop because of the offlines. So I feel my mission vision is very clear, and I still, that time I working day and night. I always in Saudi Arabia we make a vibration. So just I want to share here, any leader, even Dr. Lim, when he started this business, when he see his history, his speech, it is very touching. Same times in India today, last 2 days before I talk with India, Professor offline, I talk with him also. So Professor started a business here. That time in India, it is not easy because of technology, because people, lots of people did mistake, and also it is not familiar. Other company also did something wrong. It is all affected our industry. So in Saudi Arabia, when we started DXN business, I am only first Bangladeshi who is successful. Then I started. So it is very hard because no Facebook, WhatsApp, no emo, no Skype, no smartphone, and no what you call this one, Google, YouTube, Facebook Live, so many things now. But it is very very hard. Even we make point in Dammam, we cannot see how in Dammam, Al-Khobar, we cannot see in Saudi Arabia other branches. Now everything is very easy. Now people want to, because in Bangladeshi community, I think around now 500 or 700, 800 diamond in abroad life, and those people are abroad. So I was so much hard work for that to make people understand. And when success, now everybody want to be successful, and I am very happy for that. Lots of people get health benefit, financial benefit. So many our members, they go back to home now, they are very successful, and they take stock point and helping people, helping the country, and lots of people successful there. So it is very hard. So I even if we want to talk in about the Gulf countries, people doesn't know what is Ganoderma, people doesn't know what is PB, people doesn't know what is Star Agent, Ruby, Diamond, and also they doesn't know the consumer, they can travel around the world free. Like this, this very hard time was there. Now it is very easy to understand. I believe what we did last 27 years or 5 years and 26 years or 7 years. Now I think next 5 years will be we can do more than that. I believe this one. So now we see, when you talk about the success, I think we need to talk about challenge, because in Saudi Arabia, when we started my business started Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia, when we started very serious business, and business is growing because sale was around I think around 5 million or 7 million. In between 2011, there was Saudi Food and Drug Administration. They bring some change. So our supplement was not there. When we is going to high and lots of sale was there, lots of diamond was there, lots of bonuses there, and everybody and was very successful, and it was a vibration in Saudi Arabia. Suddenly, when product is not there, around 4 years, we are come to down. So it is very big crisis for us, and this crisis we learn lots of things. Only sometimes we don't have toothpaste also, it was sometimes don't have no coffee, nothing, only for some toothpaste was because soap, shampoo, it was there, but because of lack of other product, this goes to this product, and it was sometimes shortage also. So the challenge given us the opportunity to be strong, but same times in direct selling business, lots of people don't want to understand, don't want to be patient, they need instant money. That's why we lost lots of people also. And when abroad life, there is another problem is there because of the legal things, and lots of people go back to home. So whatever effort was there, lots of people we lost in the business. So our income come down, but still I am in full time. Same times, that time Saudi Arabia, Sudan was very good business, and I got Sudan in that time around 3,228 US dollar. So my business was coming lost in Saudi Arabia. Same time but Sudan was good. We face also with the government different places. Then Bahrain. Hello. Then Bahrain also some challenge was there. In between, Nepal also really stopped. Then direct selling, because I have team all these countries, and also there was a problem in India, and also I was facing lots of countries I going to visa problem also, because in UAE I supposed to go for training to given training. I was 30 hours, 20 hours, 25 hours, because Air Arabia 96 hours visa. But all these things, alhamdulillah, now I am enjoying, and I face challenge. And Bangladesh also direct selling license was not there, and lots of people lost confidence. And with all these challenges, what I feel, this is the part of this business. what we need to do, because of DXN, like one world, one market concept, we need to expand our business in different countries. Even any challenge is coming in one country, and other country you can survive. This is the message I want to give all of you. So the total combination of our business is for the health, wealth and happiness. All of you knows that one. So health, because we are promoting, I am very proud because of I promoting for the health. It is, we are, without healthy human resource, nobody can make any organization, any country develop. So through this product, we can help the country, all the country as the prevention, and also wealth, because we became rich by helping people health. At the same time, we need financial security through DXN team, consumer team. So I build, this is my achievement now, I feel, to be enjoy the life, to, because the consumer team around the world, now 155 countries, I created that team, and I feel anybody want to do this business, it is very simple, because using toothpaste is very simple, drink coffee is very simple, taking shower is very simple. We are doing all these things. So the opportunity, we need opportunity, because I believe if anybody having quality, qualification, experience, knowledge, but if he don't have opportunity to utilize his knowledge, so it is useless, no benefit. So DXN is given the whole of opportunities to us because of one world, one market concept, and being a DXN member, all of us, we can do anywhere in the world the business. Second thing is that's why my team is growing everywhere. Because of that, they're drinking coffee, they expand the business, they want to develop, they want to successful, and that's why I am also successful here, and I am also now in Malaysia, because enjoying, and I try to support to helping people, because a blind man cannot show the way to other people. I am successful, I need to share how. So the DXN is full of opportunity, and also the business is globally. This is like Robert Kiyosaki, he told, this is a ready-made business opportunity. We need not think about product, how to produce world-class product. We need not think about how this product goes to all around the world, how to pay the staff salary, how to release from the customs and all the government authority, because everything is managed by company, and DXN already provided 5,000 plus world-class offices around the world. This is all opportunity. Then DXN provided the product. This is for health. Every day when people wake up and going to sleep, the baby is mother home, and anybody going to die in between, this product needed. So the latest technology with us, all the technology, and every language, every country, we have successful people. So the videos, all language, everything, presentation, testimonies, all success stories, everything is with us. Only you go to YouTube and you need to share. And if you want to nowadays, which country you want to listen, which speaker you want to listen, which language you want to listen, because of COVID-19, this is another opportunity for us. We are not technical before. Now, no option, I realize, no opportunity, no option, we need to adopt with this technology, and the physical or face-to-face activities converted to now in virtual activities. And that's why I am also practice now. I am not expert now, because of that I am here. I am going to share with you. So I feel that every language, and also anywhere, anytime, any place. So I would like to tell, because in DXN, in India, I feel in our region, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, even China, and also in Nepal, all us, because India is 1.35 billion population, China is 1.5 million, we are 180 million, Pakistan is 220 million. So I believe this one is the great opportunity for us to, without human being who will use the product. If anybody want to be successful, everything is arranged by company. Only we need to learn. And how we learn? We need, before we go to the meeting, we need to go to the wear the dress, and also going to seminar, and we need to organize the program in this hall. Now it is very easy. If anybody want to be successful, I think we need to understand, we need to realize the opportunity, and we need to utilize the opportunity. So now you see the progress, the challenge. So when I get the challenges, all these challenges, lots of people quit from the business, but I didn't quit, because I believe this one. The day I joined DXN, example, if anybody want to plant a seeds, the seeds planted under the soil. Then when the soil is then it is growing, and slowly the progress. So I instead of actually showing the lots of picture, I want to understand, I want to make you understand this one, because DXN, I going to Saudi Arabia zero, empty hand, nothing was with me. Even I don't know language, even I don't know that, I don't have any experience. But now I don't know PowerPoint. Even I face lots of challenge today also to prepare this one. And but still I have so many IT engineer in my team, so they're successful. But lots of people have skill, knowledge, also IT knowledge, but they are not also successful in the system. So we need to understand the concept, how we can successful. So we need to face challenge. Without challenge we cannot understand. Then every challenge given us lessons, then we can grow. Because that's why DXN is the experience business university. You will not get in this experience in any school, college, universities by facing challenge. There is a doctor, there is an engineer, there is a professor, different background, and we are really learn from our downline, everybody, because this is a great opportunity to learn, and that's why we need to utilize. So how the power of support. All DXN members, even all other direct selling, those are doing real way business, they are helping people, they are enlightening the people, they are offering the opportunity to the people. When we help people to upgrade their life, to make them successful, automatically we become successful. We become, because in direct selling business, we never be successful if we are not creating successful people. Because this is only for the blessings. So that's why all of us, we are try to support all the direct selling leaders. They became successful by helping people, the supporting people. That's why we are successful. So we try to, because from the beginning we did it one-to-one. Nobody believe us, nobody trust us. Now you see, we don't have time to before to talk to the people now we are helping same time, lots of people same time. They understood. Before we didn't get 5 people, 10 people. If we conduct a program now, I think we get 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 500 people, 100 people. So same time we can message to the people, we can upgrade their life. So now we have dream, we have problems, because DXN is not selling product. DXN is selling solution. Like I have problem, because we have 2 problems. One is health problem, another is financial problem. So our concept is healthy way, wealthy life. So we need to support people. But I am in Malaysia now. I am in my home. But I try to share my experience. I try to give my experience with all of you. But you are in different countries. So you see the technology, power of technology. The globalization. So the globalization with technology, because of that, whole world is a village now. It is very near. It is very close to us. That's why now, which country we are, even we go back to home, some people of our members in Malaysia, Singapore, or Gulf countries, they are abroad, they are hardworking. If they understood this opportunity, if they utilize this opportunity, even they are in the village, they are sitting there, but they can enjoy, like I am making meeting now, they can do it from there. So this is the change. We need to accept the change and technology. Without, we cannot grow. If we are not take decision according to technology, we will fail in global competition. So that's why my message is there, because still I don't know, I am not a digital person, but I am a manual person, but I am going to be a digital person, but no option. All of us, we are utilizing already internet. We have a smartphone, everything, but we don't know how to develop our business. So using technology to promote DXN business, all of us. So if we do that one, so we have financial problem, our home, our time freedom, our everything, because to those people are in abroad, as soon as possible, if you understand the opportunity, if you utilize the opportunity, because you can be your home, you can be stay there, and you can be with your family, and you can enjoy your life, and you can enjoy the system. So the for permanent happiness, for permanent success, the short time we need to hard work to learn. Because if anybody is any profession, doctor, engineer, or professor, it is a journey, it takes time, and they already study that subject. In direct selling, we didn't study, we don't know anything about this. So we think, if we realize that one, so the one world, one market, and globalization, the power of one world, one market, because ultimately our problem is health and our problem is money. Our 90% problem money, because I think if money we can enjoy, if we can successful, if we can get it, then most of the problem we can solve. So that's why I believe anywhere in the world, because of one world, one market concept, people use the product, and you can utilize, you can get the, when they get product, benefits comes to you. So social media, Facebook, the webinar, the link, and all the things about Twitter, everything we need to utilize. And DXN is provided Middle East the website, and we can promote it. Also, I think the rest of the world also comes soon, so we can do our business from home. It is a home-based business, and we can do it from home. So that time in the global market, when we are here in our country, like India, even in remote area, anywhere now internet is there. So when you have electric power and you have internet, so you are not in your room, you are not in your country, you are not in your district, you are belongs with whole world. And DXN provided one world, one market. Being a DXN member, I am very proud for that, and I hope those people didn't understand. They should realize the opportunity of DXN. And that time, like my business is in 155 countries, and that time I only expand the team. Now the time has come, I need to learn, and I need to duplicate, and I need to teach from my team, so I can do it from here. That's why today I am a like international businessman. I am trying to prepare, and I do it from my home, and I make my home like a business, the office. So the happiness business, and I'm enjoying, because the happiness, because by helping people, our effort, our time, it is investing to the people to grow their life. There is a love, we care each other, we change the life, we are doing, all of us and our system, for the upgrading people's life. Those people don't have hope, they think they cannot do anything, they lost everything like me. But I think you have to hope now how you can change from zero to hero, because we was nothing, now we are something, because it is give you strength, and really it is helping business. We help each other, we all of us, I believe all DXN leaders, their experience sharing now whole world. You try to listen, all Philippines is going to have every day going live, Indonesia, Malaysia, UAE, Zoom, webinar, everything is different countries, even India doing. So Europe, also Africa doing. So I think whole world, you don't have boundary, you are with global business, and we need to know little bit, we need to just connect with our with activities, and different people you will learn and you will enjoy. So I believe all these things, digital economy, digital marketing, it is needed. This is my strong message. All of us, I think we need to be, no option, we have to be with technology, to learn technology. So all in one with DXN. See, our family, before I was always with the traveling this country, there, airport, hotel, seminar, meetings. Now I am with family. I understood, and what is my goal, because I just going to show my second home, my children, everybody with me in Malaysia, and they are study in Islamic International University College school, and I am with them. Also, we try to help people going this country, that country. We didn't give time to our family. Now, because we expanded team, time, invested time before. Now we can give time to the family. So they will grow. At the same time, we can help. Before we was doing like this business seminar. Now we can do it from home. So the things is coming better way. I believe it is a great thing. So financial freedom is there. End of the month, money is there. Then peace of mind is there. Security is there. So even you retirement, even I retirement, anybody want to be early retirement, they can retire very easy, very soon. So that's why I just want to share something here, because I just want to share this one, because World International Labour Organization rules everybody have to give 8 hours hard work, 6 days. So it is 48 hours. So 52 hours, 52 weeks makes 1 year. It is 2,496. If until 30 years we can get job, government job. Until 60 years we can do job. So you see 30 years job. Now 30 years if anybody doing job, it is 74,880 hours. So you see 30 years he educated himself like masters, the MBA, BBA, doctors, engineer. But ultimately our education is which subject is more demandable for job. We want to do that and we want to make money. But I feel this one we can do it now. If we want to think that one, the power of part-time. Example, most of the people in Gulf countries, or just you see South or India, 60,000 rupees, or you can say in Saudi riyal or dirham or Qatari riyal or Malaysian ringgit, 6,000. If anybody doing a professional person, he is hard working for 1 month, 60,000 riyals. If divided by 30 days, it is 200 riyals daily income per day. Then divided by 24 hours, it is 8.33 fields or paisa. It is per hours, because he come to the abroad only for that job. This is only his income source. But when he understand the DXN system concept along with his job, if he earn another 6,000 riyals or dirham or 600 BD for Bahraini dinar or KD or ringgit next 2 years, because I got it within 5 months. But I am talking about I learn. I travel so many countries. I see the people suffering. Only 2,000 reals or 1,500 reals. They 30 years still they are hard working with their family. Lots of challenges. Anyway, we respect all the people. We respect all the country, all the organization. At the same time, instead of wasting time in front of television, unnecessary, non-productive way, if they learn with the DXN, because with our leaders, with the investing time, if we earn another 6,000 next 2 years, so 12,000 reals per month. So divided by 30 days, this 400 reals per day. So before his value was per day 200, now 400. Then his value is coming for the monthly hourly 16.6. Before it was 8.33, so 16.666. You see, when he lose his job, now this pandemic, lots of people are going to lose their job. When they lose their job, then what is going to happen for the peoples? But those people now, or maybe our present situation is not our final destination according to our health, according to our financial condition. Before that, we see some recession. People losing their job due to their health, due to their financial or the company problems. So now, when they get this one, investing time, instead of wasting time, they learn. When they go back to home, their 6,000 will not be zero. But those people who are working in that company, they are not belongs to DXN. They go back to home, they are zero. But DXN people will not zero. But they can monitor their team like us now in home, through home, because he have knowledge, he can develop and he can expand his team. Maybe it will be little bit less or maybe it will be increased. It will not be zero. So that is the power of direct selling or the part-time. So my request is that now, what we need to do? The power of one world, one market. If we want to say 30 years job, now how we can do it 30 days? or 3 months or 3 years. That is my concept to all of you. We are doing asset. We are building asset. The power of one word, one market. If we promote DXN product. So India 1.35 billion population. India, Bangladesh is 180 million population. Like this whole world, I am talking in the whole world. If we create 10,000 consumers next 5 years, we are zero, nothing, nobody with us now. So each person drink one coffee, each person drink one toothpaste, use one toothpaste, one product. So 10,000 consumers multiply because of 30 days. Because like one the Samsung or Apple or Unilever or Nokia, all the products is coming because of they are growing because they have customer, they have consumer. So all these people, when they're doing their job, they're using as a consumer, we are promoting that one. 10,000 from whole world, 7.4 billion population. So their hours also your hours. They drink coffee or they drink use product. That's why revenue come to you. So many company in the world, they have 200,000 customers, 200,000 employees, 1,000 employee. So their hours is their hours. But the consumer is use our 10,000 into 30 days because they are using product for you. That's why you are getting, I think 20,000, 30,000. It is easily you can be get in the system. So my request to all of you, this direct selling business and DXN, it is already proven. So now I am here, you see, I am same because I am preparing my future activities, because what I built last 15 years networking, that is my asset, that is my achievement. So now I can monitor from here. Now I am here, in front of me I see Twin Tower, the view, all this view, because this is my life. I need to enjoy. I hard work lots, I struggle lots, I try to help people. Now I want to be enjoy my life. At the same time, I need to be from here. I need to help people. So I want to be a digital Harun soon. So I travel. You see, one country I visited 50 around 45 countries. So you see the one phase. How many phase was there? 1 year visa in Latin America, Europe. When I was in 2007, I was qualified for TSAP in Italy, Greece, the Costa Serena. That time I get 10 days visa, only 10 days. But lots of people not get visa. Even I don't have bank account. But then embassy, what do you call this one? This visa consulate asking me, why you go there? You will not return back. Then I don't have bank account. I take bank statement with me, and 6-month bank statement I show them. Then I told how much I earned from your country. I am getting like this amount. That time my bonus was around 20,000 to 25,000. I am talking 2007 that time. So then he told, I saw my different countries mentioning the bonus. Then he told, are you sure? I told yes. I cannot stay in your country, but I can go again and again to your country. Now you see, I got 1 year multiple visa, but I don't have time to go also. Believe me. But everybody, especially Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and visa, but I didn't get the chance to. So now we see my achievement. Last year, our 25th year anniversary, I came to Malaysia. Then I met Dr. Lim. Then Dr. Lim told, there is a 2 million Bangladeshi here. So why you not coming here and do? I told how I can come. Visa problem. I am facing lots of things. Then he told. Then I told how I can go. So I really grateful to him, Dr. Lim Suzin, because I told I have this problem, this problem. He told no problem, I am there. He told this problem, I told this problem. He told no problem, I can solve it. So many things I told, and he. I think if I go to anywhere, I can establish myself. No, it should be the family, my brother, and all those people. And also I try to help lots of people in through DXN. And of course, I didn't do the time. I was so much busy in outside abroad, and I didn't helping my village. My different way I help, but it is not enough. I am not satisfied because I born there. So I need lots of things to do there in future, and I am trying to do that. And my all family members visa, and already 10 years visa is there. So I am satisfied in the DXN, and also by doing DXN business here. And what I feel now, the things, my achievement around 800 plus diamond. This is my achievement. So instead of doing business like savings or any other things, I was decided from the beginning, I want to invest the team. That's why always hardworking meetings, seminars, investing, you know, there is an invest money, and I did it. So after that, now I feel all of the members, especially India, the Indian people teaching us, and our root from there. And I feel doctors is there, so many international speakers, so many people. India is not a country, it is a continent. I believe it will be very strong market through India, and Indian people is all around the world. And not only India, all other people, those are listening to me, I just want to tell, this DXN is like a latest model Ferrari car or BMW, Mercedes Benz. But only condition, you can take it if you can drive. But we have all the opportunity with us, but we don't know. But only we need to learn. But it's very simple also. Only talking history and doing hard work with sincerely, and also honest work with the supporting people from the heart, and do it what you, because DXN never shifted. I believe last 15 years. Bonus salary not guarantee, but DXN bonus is guarantee. But only you need to learn. Only. So I would like to say, all the business, all these things only because 15 years journey, I cannot talk simple way, because I am also not technical person. I don't know, whatever I learned, I did it today. It is some technical problem also was there. But I believe to become successful, we need to be very simple. And we need to life not more showing luxurious, but we want to see simplicity and simple life. You can enjoy more, and then you help more, and you can try to support more number of people, and try to pass this message to more number of the people. So I would like to thanks all of you who is listening, and especially Professor and Madam, and also all the technical support professors, daughter-in-law. Really, she supported me also, and I learned lots of things also, technology, and she teaches. And thank you very much. And also DXN, all my members, my partners, Dr. Lim, because of this grateful system, and follow the globalization, and really DXN family all around the world. And anything's missing and you not understand, I'm very sorry, and I love all of you. And really DXN, because we are very simple person, we try to talk simple way, but when you go to technical, we are facing challenges. So I hope everything will be there, and I'll be DXN Harun will be a digital Harun soon, inshallah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Harun Rashid. And it is so wonderful. I know that I am very proud of you, because you are from my team. You are in the depth of our Indian team. We are the upline, and you people have done extremely well. I am sure that in the coming years, your team all over the globe, particularly Bangladeshis who are there all over the world, everywhere, their presence is seen, and I am sure that they have many of them are doing extremely well. And along कोई भी कहीं भी प्लग कर सकता है। अभी जो लोगों ने आज हारून और रशीद का बारे में सुना, थोड़ा मैंने हिंदी में समराइज करूंगा। ये तो बहुत बड़ा हार्ट टचिंग स्टोरी है उसका, बिकॉज लोगों ने इससे बहुत कुछ सीख सकता है, क्योंकि देश में सब कुछ कोई भी बेस के बिना, कोई भी जॉब के बिना डीएक्शन को फुल टाइम शुरुआत करना साधारण बात नहीं है। हारून जी ने वो करके दिखाया है, बिकॉज इसके पेट में आग था। जिसका पेट में आग नहीं है वो काम नहीं कर सकता है। इस तरह उसका एक ही दिशा था, एक ही सोच था, एक ही चीज दिमाग में था, कैसे ही ये मुश्किल का हालत से उसका फैमिली को बचाने के लिए वो घर का बड़ा बेटा जो उसने हाई स्कूल में पढ़ने के समय उसका पिताजी गुजर गए, वो कारण से 8 बच्चों को पालन पोषण करना उसके सिर के ऊपर लगा। इसीलिए इसने कहीं से कहीं जाकर कमाना ही है। ये हालत में इसने डीएक्शन में 15 बरस से इतना अच्छा इनकम को कमाकर सभी फैमिली को पालन पोषण करके तीनों सिस्टर को शादी करवाया और तीनों और 4 ब्रदर्स का सबका देखभाल, वो सभी एसेट गांव में बिजनेस को जो उसका पुराना बिजनेस था वो फार्मेसी का बिजनेस, उसको भी सभी रिवाइव करके सबका सेटलमेंट जो किया है करके वो खुद अपना लाइफ को भी बढ़ाने में अभी मलेशिया में सेकंड हाउस जो बनाया है, ये तो साधारण की बात नहीं है। क्योंकि बड़ा बड़ा प्रोफेशन में, बड़ा बड़ा जॉब में लोगों ने जो नहीं कर सकता है, इस तरह का चेंजेस को खुद लड़कर ये 10-15 बरस के अंदर करना साधारण बात नहीं है। और आप सभी लोग सोच सकता है वो खुद को काम करने का जिद हो गए तो वो आग अंदर बढ़ने का आग, ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग का जो सिस्टम है, जो मेथड है, जो प्रूवन मार्केटिंग प्लान है, जो वन वर्ल्ड वन मार्केट का कॉन्सेप्ट है डीएक्शन का, और डीएक्शन का जो बिजनेस है रियली ग्लोबल बिजनेस, ये रियली ग्लोबल बिजनेस कोई भी कर सकता है, कहीं भी कर सकता है, कभी भी कर सकता है। उसका एक सबूत है हारून रशीद का, क्योंकि इसने प्रूव करके दिखाया है। बाहर का देश को जाकर वहां नेटवर्क बाहर में बिल्ड करके सभी देश को उसको स्प्रेड करके आज इतना बड़ा एक नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस को खड़ा करके सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर और सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बना है। ये तो बहुत लोगों को उदाहरण है। हमको खुशी का बात है मिस्टर हारून और रशीद ने हमारा इंडिया का रूट से हमारा नेटवर्क में डेप्थ में दुबई में सऊदी अरेबिया में स्पॉन्सर होकर वो रूट वहां से थ्रू आउट द मिडल ईस्ट स्प्रेड करके जो इसने सीखा अपलाइन ट्रेनिंग से, अपलाइन मेंटरशिप से, कहीं भी नॉलेज मिले उसका वो नॉलेज को उसको फायदा उठाकर वो स्किल को मास्टर करके सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर बना। इसीलिए ये संदेश क्या है आज का ये लाइफ स्टोरी से, कोई भी डीएक्सन में एक दिमाग के साथ, फोकस के साथ और दृढ़ निर्णय के साथ काम करने का, काम करने का एक बड़ा सोच के साथ काम करने का निर्णय लेकर दिन रात सफलता के लिए लड़े तो वो उसको सक्सेसफुल होने में, सफलता को हासिल करने में कोई भी रोक नहीं सकता है। उसका एक सदृष्ट हमारे साथ सबूत है। इसीलिए हारून जी ने जो आज एग्जीक्यूटिव क्राउन डायमंड में हैं, हमको घमंड की बात है। हारून रशीद ने इंडिया को बहुत बार आ गया, हमारा ट्रेनिंग को, फ्रीडम डे को भी, कोचिन को भी वो आ गए थे और हमारा ट्रेनिंग वहाँ दिल्ली, ताजमहल, वो TSI पे में भी इंडिया को आ गए थे। अभी मैं भी बांग्लादेश 2 बार गया हूँ बिगिनिंग ईयर्स में ट्रेनिंग के लिए। इसीलिए ये सभी देशों ने एक साथ मिलकर हमने काम करके सबको प्रमोट करे तो ईच अदर्स प्रमोशन, सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। इसलिए ये सबका भलाई के लिए है डीएक्सन, सबका भलाई के लिए हम काम किया है। ये साधारण बात नहीं है। नॉट ओनली सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, ये वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, वर्ल्ड इज वन फैमिली, वो हमने प्रूव करके दिखाया है। इसलिए डीएक्सन का ग्रोथ आने वाले दिन में बहुत मजबूत होंगे। इस तरह का लीडरों के कारण से हम सभी मिलकर एक साथ काम करके सबको प्रमोशन, ईच अदर्स प्रमोशन, ईच अदर्स टीम्स प्रमोशन, ईच अदर्स ग्रोथ को हम काम करेंगे बताकर। थैंक यू मिस्टर हारून रशीद फॉर योर वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन। वी आर विद यू, वी आर wherever you may be, wherever your team may be. Now today technology has brought us together. Thanks to Corona has brought us together. Because
It's true.
I must thank the Corona also, because even though it has done so many bad things, some good things also will happen out of this, I think, because we can never think of sitting in Malaysia yourself, sitting in Chennai myself, can talk like that each other so easily. Today this all YouTube, Zoom and all other technology has become, world is one, global village, one small place. Hence we can always help each other. This is a business of helping each other, business of